Back in the garage again, working on my 85 Mustang LX 5.0 convertible, better known as Sally. As you can see, I've put a right fender on it, got it lined up. Got to do a little bit of work on the hood. The fiberglass hood lines are not straight. Got the left fender put on this side. It lines up real good. These are off of a real good 1985 Ford Mustang convertible that I bought a bunch of parts off of. I'm going to work on the hood today, try to get it lined up like I want it. Got to do a little bit of adjustment down here on the bottom of this fender where it sticks out past the rocker panel. Other than that, there's just some door dings in the doors. Got a trunk lid at work that's almost ready to paint. I've got a rear bumper cover almost ready to paint because the original trunk lid has a little bit of rust in it, and the rear bumper cover that's on it has a melted place from the previous exhaust, which I figured it'd be easier to get all this stuff and replace it than it would be to fix the stuff that was on it. Okay, Sally has some real good lines on the hood and down the fender gap. Didn't take long. Got good lines down the bumper on this side. Got good lines across the back on both sides. Got a good straight gap down this side. Lines up good across the front. Good lines down through here on the left side. Good line back here at the back. Real good line on this left door also. I'm fixing the low spot in the hood, and I've got the gaps lined up pretty good now. The hood and the fenders got good gaps across the flat surfaces on both sides. Got to sand majority of this red paint off of it because it's not sticking very good. Not many cars with fiberglass hoods. The hoods fit this good. Of course, it'll look a whole lot better when it's all red.